Merry Christmas, guys. It's Christmas Day today, December 25th, 2012. Woke up this morning to some snow. It was flurrying a little bit, and it was actually snowing pretty good. And again, we got a dusting. There was maybe 2 inches on the driveway. We snow blowed with the GT 19.9. And cleaned it up with the plow on the 18.6 a little bit. Brought some wood in. Not nearly enough to get any action shots or anything, but nonetheless, it did pretty well. Driveway's nice and clean. So do the same thing we did last year on Christmas Day. And that is, we're going to start up the 6.5. Let it warm up a little bit. It's probably about, stuff's melting, so it's got to be over freezing right now, but I don't know, I'd say maybe upper 30s right now. Alright, crank her up. No smoke. We'll let that warm up. So, my grandpa's over today. That's his Jeep right there. It's a Cherokee. 4-liter straight 6. Automatic transmission. Nice truck. And it's kind of just, that about does it. I got a $50 gift certificate to Tractor Supply, so I'm going to be going over there later in the week to get some supplies for the restoration of the SS16 here. And I'm trading these two K40 3-foot CB whips for, I'll keep it a surprise. I'm trading it for something for the truck I'm getting later in the week. I'll be going down to visit Brian Rolls Coal, and also Brian 95. Going to hang out with him. But tractors did good today, and happy about that. And we're supposedly have a nor'easter on the way, so that's always good. So anyway, guys, Merry Christmas. Everyone be safe and have a happy holiday. Thanks.